fresh milk is here. Let's inspect the seals and logs. All clear. Production ready for soft pink creamy ice cream.
Let's get this batch tested.
Sample inserted, running analysis.
Results confirmed, pH 6.8.
Perfect. Approved for production. Cream levels are stable. Increasing inflow rate to 80%. Copy that. Monitoring pressure. All systems go for storage. Let's begin the soft pink creamy batch. Assistant, prepare the base.
Base is ready. Proceeding with the pink flavor blend.
Good. Dispense precisely 50 milliliters. Confirm the formula integrity. The soft pink creamy ice cream mixture passes through advanced pasteurization systems where controlled heat ensures product safety and quality. High-pressure homogenizers smooth the soft pink creamy ice cream mixture into a silky texture. Flavor systems complete the rich signature taste of the soft pink creamy ice cream mixture. Specialized machines whip air into the soft pink creamy ice cream for a light creamy texture. The texture of this batch looks very promising. Yes, let's check the consistency. It's smooth and creamy, exactly what we want.
Agreed. This batch passes inspection. Sweet ripple ingredients are prepared to swirl through the soft pink creamy ice cream. Fresh, crispy cones are baked and prepared for filling with soft pink creamy ice cream.
Mechanical arms push aside defective products. Perfect pink packages continue forward. Automated sorting technology maintains quality. High-speed production accuracy.
This batch of pink ice cream is ready. Let's get it loaded.
Copy that. Moving in now.
Securing the door, this load is good to go.
Let's get some ice cream.
I want the pink one.
Okay, this one looks good.
Yeah, let's grab a few. Here's your soft pink creamy ice cream and a crispy golden waffle cone. Wow, looks amazing. Thank you. Enjoy.
This ice cream is so yummy. It's not, babe. I love cream Dunkin'. Best treat ever. Yeah, summer is great.
Check the pressure valves and log readings. Valves clear, ready for inspection. Good. Proceed to the conveyor alignment. Alignment tools prepped, moving to phase 2.
Mom, this is so yummy.
It is. Here, have some more. Honey, try this one.
Wow, that is delicious.
Yummy, I want more sprinkles.
Of course, sweetie.
We did it again. Another perfect batch of soft pink cream.
Woo! Looks amazing.
Cheers, everyone.
All varieties of soft pink creamy ice cream appear in one final showcase. Indulge in the velvety, smooth texture of our perfect soft pink cream. A moment of pure bliss.
The complete journey of soft pink creamy ice cream production ends inside the modern factory world.